Thanks for staying with us, and it's now time for the Business Day. Amidst growing concerns about the future of jobs in the global services sector, the government has broken its silence. The development comes as a series of pronouncements by U.S. Donald Trump takes shape in recent months. More in this report.
Tension is rising in the United States and uncertainty lingers across several sectors. U.S. President Donald Trump has signaled a renewed focus on keeping jobs within American borders, raising questions about the future of some offshore service providers across the region. Here in Jamaica, the government says it understands the geopolitical pressures, but insists Jamaica remains focused, competitive, and firmly positioned in the global market.
What we have seen with this sector is remarkable resilience. The COVID-19 pandemic, I think, proved that, and the impact of Hurricane Melissa has proved that. So despite the geopolitical waves that happen from time to time, we have a consistent focus to maintain a strong, effective industry, and we're not going to lose sight of what the goals are.
Vice President of the Global Services Association of Jamaica, Gloria Henry, argues that international partners value Jamaica's workforce and a track record of continuity.
What we need to do is to keep the jobs that are here, to keep them here, and to bring in new jobs.
Our promotional efforts are going to be absolutely critical. We have to get out into the marketplaces that matter for Jamaica, and that's the intention, to ensure that Jamaica's global digital services sector is in the marketplaces that matter, that we have consistent and strong presence so that we can continue to attract prominent entities into the space here in Jamaica.
Despite damage to critical infrastructure at some locations after Hurricane Melissa, the sector was back in operation within days. But the recovery has revealed deeper challenges. Ms. Henry says the removal of electronic waste from damaged facilities has been a major issue.
Yes, we have to go through so many stages, and only one entity is now certified to dispose of that. So we have to wait on the availability of that entity to come in and assess. And market is not free. It's very expensive. Very, very expensive to dispose of one computer. So we have to wait on that. We have to go through the bureaucratic approval process. That has taken time, and that really has helped to delay some of the rebuilding effort.
As the government looks to ramp up investor confidence in the coming months, the ministry says it stands ready to assist.
What we could do for sure is to probably consult further with our environmental authorities and see how best we can probably ease the process going forward, especially given the unique challenges of a post-hurricane event.
Prince Moore, TVJ News.
To the stock market now, the U.S.A. index declined by 4,058 points today, while the junior market index declined by 28 points. The advancing stocks included Medical Disposables and Supplies, Palace Amusement, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Dolphin Cove, and Epley Carbon Property Fund. Losers were led by ISP Finance Services, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, 138 Student Living Variable Preference Shares, Lumber Depot, and Image Plus Consultants. 16 stocks traded firm. When foreign currency trading ended, banks and cambios were selling the US dollar for an average $157.33. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.68. The pound is going for $218.14, while the euro is selling for an average $188.58. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories are next.